Conn-Link Technology Inc. holds the spirit of Innovation Design Links customer service, to provide the best service and technology. We provide electronic products, electrical components, connectors, cables assembly, tooling design, precision stamping, and plastic injection. Conn-Link supports waterproof connectors of USB Type-C, USB Micro-B, earphone jack, DC power jack, M5 series, M8 series, and M12 series. We provide many kinds of SATA connectors, SlimLine SATA, Micro SATA, external SATA connector, and SAS connector. We also professional in RJ modular jack, RJ45 jack, RJ50 jack, with LED, with transformer Giga LAN, and LAN cable assembly. We provide customized cable assembly service, wire harness, flexible flat cable, optical cable, waterproof cable, I-PEX, LVDS, and coaxial cable.